Hey there! Do you ever wonder how the economy works? Why some countries are rich and others are poor? Or how governments and businesses make decisions that affect our daily lives? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into the basics of how the economy works and what factors influence its growth and stability. First, let's define what we mean by the economy. Essentially, the economy refers to the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a given region. This includes everything from agriculture and manufacturing to banking and healthcare. At its core, the economy is driven by the forces of supply and demand. When there is high demand for a product or service, businesses will produce more of it to meet that demand, which in turn creates jobs and economic growth. On the other hand, when there is low demand for a product or service, businesses may need to cut back on production and jobs, which can lead to a recession or even a depression. Another key factor that influences the economy is the role of government. Governments can regulate businesses and industries, set interest rates, and manage the money supply to try to achieve certain economic goals, such as reducing unemployment or controlling inflation. However, these policies can sometimes have unintended consequences or lead to political conflicts. Finally, globalization has also had a major impact on the economy in recent decades. With the rise of international trade and investment, countries are more interconnected than ever before, which can create new opportunities for growth and development, but also new challenges and risks. So that's a brief overview of how the economy works. Of course, there's much more to it than we can cover in a single video, but hopefully this has given you a better understanding of the basics. As always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on important topics like this one. Thanks for watching.
Also, be sure to click the link in the description to learn more about money making. It's a great resource that can help you take your knowledge to the next level.